Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT active and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on Profile. And here you should see your AMAZFIT active on the list of my devices. Tap on it. On this page, find the option called App Store and select it. And here we have the list of applications we can install. Find the app you want to install. You can tap on it to select it. For example, let's say this one. And to install the app, tap on the install button and wait. And once it says installed, then it brings you back to the App Store. The app is installed and you can go to your watch, open the menu on it, and you will see the icon in the menu. Okay. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.